Hey there, future business leaders. Today I'm breaking down how to calculate return on equity, ROE, like a pro. First off, what is ROE? Return on equity is a key financial metric that shows how well a company uses its equity to generate profits. It's super important for investors and financial analysts. The formula for ROE is pretty straightforward: net income divided by shareholders' equity. Let's dive into an example to make this crystal clear. Say company XYZ has a net income of $100,000 and shareholders' equity of $500,000. To get the ROE, you simply divide the net income by the shareholders' equity. So $100,000 divided by $500,000 gives us an ROE of 0.2 or 20%. This 20% means that for every dollar of equity, company XYZ is generating 20 cents in profit. Pretty neat, right? But why does ROE matter? Well, a higher ROE indicates a company is more efficient at generating profits from its equity. Investors look for higher ROE as a sign of a potentially good investment. However, always compare ROE within the same industry. Different industries have different benchmarks. Also, keep an eye on debt levels, as high debt can inflate ROE figures. To wrap up, understanding and calculating ROE is crucial for analyzing a company's financial health. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool to add to your financial analysis toolkit. All right, folks, that's a wrap for today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.